Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change and edit your birthday on your account center, on your account on Messenger, easy and quick. First click on these three lines, now click settings, and here as you see you'll find personal details, click on it. Now here you'll find personal details, and here you'll find birthday, click on it. Now here you can change it, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.